Okay, children. So yesterday we were discussing about the plastics. Okay. Can anyone define what is a plastic, children? What did I say yesterday? Plastic. Can anyone define?
So plastic is a synthetic material that can be
No.
molded into a design shape when it is soft, when it is cool, they harm us.
When it is the hard, when it is cool, it becomes hard. Okay. So it is a synthetic material. I told you, children, if you will remember, and can be molded into desired shape. I said can be molded. Okay. Okay. Can be molded into desired shape. I said, children, can be molded. 1 second. Into desired shape when hot, and when it becomes cool it becomes hardened and a durable substance. And types of plastics, I told two types. What are they, children? Thermo setting. Please mute your audio. Mute your audio. Don't open like that. Lot of disturbances. Then mute your audio. That's rubbish. Okay. So children, one is thermoplastics, which can be molded back again and again. Other one is thermo setting, means once you mold it, you cannot get it back. This you can mold it any number of times. This you cannot mold it again. I told you so. And also I gave some examples. So today, children, and I also said some properties. Children. If ever you remember, what are the properties which I told? Means first one I told shape. You can convert them into any shape. I said. Then reactivity. They are least reactive. They won't react with any substance. I told. Thermal conductivity is very bad. I said. Electrical conductivity also very bad if they won't conduct electricity. I said they are very inexpensive and cheap. That's why many people will prefer to use. I said, and those it's not soluble in water. Also, I said soluble in water. It's not soluble, and also its strength is very good strength it will be having, and also very light in weight. That's why it is used in aeroplane parts. Also, I told in car parts. Also, I told yesterday. Now today, children, we will see some uses of plastics. Uses of some and advantages, disadvantages, both advantages. Okay, first one, children, some of common thermoplastics which can be molded again and again. Among them, first one is polythene. Ethene means C2H4, children, and when you polymerize ethene, you get polyethene, children. So how it is obtained is by polymerization of ethene. Polymerization means small molecules are combined from big molecules. Polymerization is many small molecules of ethene are combined from big molecule. Okay. Oh, okay, children. So this is polythene. It is quite tough and durable, and it is used in making plastic bags, all thin bags. Okay, buckets. Okay. It is also used in making buckets, children. Okay, and also it is used in making some bottles, and also it is used in packaging, etc. etc. This is polythene. Next one, children, PVC, polyvinyl chloride. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. Okay, children, polyvinyl chloride is little bit hard plastic, children. That's why it's not as flexible as polythene, children. That's why it is used in making your wires. Your wires, PVC coating will say on the wire, electrical coating will be there, insulator, and seat covers, and also raincoats are made by using PVC, children. Okay, especially electrical wires are coated with PVC, children. Next, polystyrene. 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 It is a light plastic, children, not hard like this. It is a light plastic. It is a light plastic, and this is used. This can be easily molded, children. That's why it is used for packaging electronic items and making thermacoel. It is used in making thermacoel and also packaging of electrical items. Packaging of electrical items. Okay. Next one, children, and next one is perspex. Perspex. You have to remember all these examples. Perspex. It is a transparent plastic. It is a transparent thermoplastic, but it has very great strength. Remember always, it has a very great strength. Okay, it is a substitute for glass. It is a substitute for glass. Instead of glass, we can use perspex. In your decibel, we get goggles. You will say goggles. All those are not glass goggles, not cheap. Okay, substitute for glass for making protective. Wind screens of car, wind screens of car, windows of aeroplanes, windows of aeroplanes, okay, and sunglasses, protective sunglasses, all are made up of perspex, which is a substitute for glass. Teflon, you know Teflon, you all know Teflon. Teflon is also called as polytetrafluoroethene. Polytetrafluoroethene. Teflon means what? Poly, tetra, fluoroethene. Tetrafluoroethene means it looks like this in the somewhat. Tetrafluoroethene means it looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. There's so many molecules of this ethene are converted into Teflon. Teflon, you know, no children, it can withstand high temperature. High temperatures it can withstand. That's why non-stick pans are made of this only children. It is slippery, but it also has slippery surface. Okay, so that's why it is used in making non-stick pans. Non-stick pans. Non-stick pans will have Teflon coating. Non-stick pans will have Teflon coating. Don't forget, children. Very, very important. Okay. So now, most common thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic. These are thermoplastic. These now thermosetting plastics is. Yesterday I told you. Remember anyone of you? I told backlight. What is a backlight, children? It is a very, very hard, very, very tough plastic. It is very, very hard and tough plastic. And remember, children, it is a poor conductor of electricity. Because it is a poor conductor of electricity, it is used in making the cooking utensils. Cooking utensils. Okay. It is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. That's why it handles. I mean to say handles of cooking utensils, and also switches. All your switches are therefore backlit only, and plugs and sockets, sockets. Why? Because it is a bad conductor of electricity. It's a poor conductor of electricity. That's why it is used in their children. And last one in this is melamine. Melamine. Okay, children. Melamine can tolerate heat better than other plastics. Among all this, melamine can withstand even hot, very, very hot conditions also. It can withstand. Okay, children. So it is used for making floor tiles. It is used for making floor tiles, children, and unbreakable kitchen items. Unbreakable kitchen items. Kitchen. Okay. Items. And also it is fire resistant fabrics. Fire resistant fabrics. Okay. Bomb squad, all those people they will. Since melamine is a fire resistant plastic, the uniforms of firemen, bomb squad people, firemen, bomb squad people, they will use this only, children, because it is fire resistant melamine. Okay, like this, children, these are the uses of plastics and disadvantages of using plastics. All these things and say in the next class, children, you have to learn all these things, children. Please remember and learn. It will come. All this will come in on Sunday exam. In Sunday class, children. Okay, thank you so much, children. Please remember. If you want, I will send one photo also. You can call.